If y'all have that pair of Crocs that cost $50 to $60 and you think it's almost time to get rid of them because they're looking dingy, well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take some scrubbing bubbles and make them look brand new. Let's get started. Okay, y'all, I know everybody out there probably has a pair of Crocs that they wear in the summer. Well, I want to show you today how to clean your Crocs. Mine are super dirty from the garden. And we're fixing to start. This is mostly from last year, just to tell you the truth. So I'm going to show you today how to clean your Crocs. And we're going to be using some of our famous scrubbing bubbles. We're just going to take and spray our Croc all over. Now these are the kind that I can take the inside of them out. They have a foam cushion bottom. So I'm going to just spray the whole shoe, inside and out. Now most of y'all's Crocs don't have that inside sole, but these do. So just spray the whole shoe. Now look how dirty that side is. Now Travis even tried to sneak and throw these away and told me to order me another pair. But there's nothing wrong with these blue Smurf Crocs. And I'm going to show you how this right here will help you clean your Crocs this summer. So now we're going to let them sit there for about 15 minutes. Okay, they've been sitting there for a while. So now I'm going to take this old toothbrush that I use just for cleaning stuff. And I'm going to show y'all this one because it's a lot worse on this side. Now you can see how that scrubbing bubbles is already pulling up the dirt. So you can take really any kind of little brush that you have and just give it a scrub. I just have a bunch of these little cheap old toothbrushes that I use for stuff like this. So that's what we're using. Now most of y'all's Crocs probably don't look this bad, but these are garden Crocs, outside working Crocs, chicken Crocs. I'm going to take something and wipe that off. Just to show you how good this scrubbing bubbles works. Now look at that. Look how blue and pretty that is. And I'm scrubbing real light. You don't have to scrub hard at all. And it just pulls that dirt right out. And it don't hurt your shoes at all. We're even going to do the bottom. We'll do the top, and then we're going to work on the bottom. So y'all comment down below if you've ever used scrubbing bubbles on your shoes, or if you might consider it now. I've done quite a few videos on scrubbing bubbles. It works good for a lot of different stuff. We're going to get this scrubbed, wipe down, and then we're going to rinse it. I'm going to go ahead and spray the bottom and let them soak. Scrub it real good. Now all that might not come off on the bottom because it's been there a while. Okay, this one I've got done. I've rinsed it off and dried it partially. So this is the difference in the clean one and the dirty one still. So that just goes to show you that scrubbing bubbles will clean a pair of Crocs. Now these ain't your original Crocs. These are off-brand, but I wear them a lot outside. I didn't think they were ready to be thrown away, so I thought I could clean them. They do look pretty rough. Actually, this one looks good now, but now we got to do this one. And like always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's helping our channel get out there. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the new hype button if you like this kind of videos. Thanks for watching. Well, we've got them both washed, got them dried, got my inserts, soles put back in, and this is the results we got. Overall, I think that scrubbing bubbles done its magic on my Crocs. What do y'all think? The only thing I've got is just a few little places where Banjo got a hold of my shoe. When he was a baby, for some reason, he wanted these blue shoes. Well, I hope y'all like this video on using scrubbing bubbles to clean your Crocs. And like always, Travis and myself just want to say a big thanks for watching our channel and happy cleaning.